Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
No, that's it. Banana up there. Down the mic.
Banana?
Yeah. Yeah, and cook a small pot. Cook one small pot. And banana dumpling pot and small pot.
Small thing we had
Is it? Them food them
Small
bad.
pot. Man, by one flour. Man.
Years gone, people can talk about that.
Same way?
Yeah.
Same way.
I'm crying my night, you know, but I come and cook me from my yard, I cook it, you know. My body want to look at the piece, you know. And I just fry it, and I cut the two dumplings and four, and I fry them, you know. My body. Them no white, I'm get a dip,
I want to come like when I eat all food, I'm
Yeah, the oats dumpling, that was special. A dream team special, Jella, the oats dumpling.
Yeah, man, dream team special, man.
So them want to do some banana dumpling.
So me they clean out the pot like that.
Yeah.
People talk about it, they are fight, this man is fighting a Jella.
Yeah.
I walk in that town, a man said, Jenna. Can't be the man, but the senior program, man. Fight, I'm still not fighting with the party now. Why not so?
Well. Blessed love. Welcome to another episode of Kino Life in Jamaica. Yes, guys, so we're here today.
Great minds really think alike. We make choices and we can't lie.
I remember when we used to have to go to the river to heading to the river, like a mango tree to have big mango. I don't even know these people when they go
Yes, guys, so Mother Theresa step. She don't have to walk up no ladder anymore. And not have to drop off any ladder anymore. She's walking up the stairs now. She's walking up the stairs. Unnatural. Yeah. Doing the flashing and the dashing. Grinding slow but grinding still. From left hand to the right. Oh, she for left and Mother Theresa at the right. From the left, yes. From the left to the right.
Boy, you now left you out, man.
We are cling on, man. Cling on. When you meet a serious accident, you cling on like we are cling on, you know. Cling on.
That is it, man. So this is the bathroom flashing out. Bathroom bigger now, man.
Brought up 4 feet wide, man. I brought up, man. No, you are 6 blue.
Can't put a single bed inside.
Yeah, man.
We are turning. Here's our room. Nice.
This will come like a one bar and mix up same way, you know?
Yeah.
Water.
The sun gets hot, you know, the sun gets hot still.
Sun has more water.
Yeah. Time get hotter, man. Tell me I play Sunday, I play a ball. You know, want everybody me a ball for them boots. Fire night, man. I water up through the boots, them, man. Water. This one get. Play for doing a park with a player. For doing a park, man. Tell the sun come on from the field. Wicked, man. Make it. You know, each year the place I get hotter. Blow me
warming.
Yes, it's getting very hotter and hotter.
Warming.
So I don't know if that's what's gonna happen to you, man. We're gonna fry. We're gonna fry our own self. Yes, guys, you can see natural flash out all of this. You know, it's well flash, looking nice. You know, now it's flashing out the bathroom. Now the bathroom is very spacious. Very, very spacious, you know. Mother Theresa getting a new life. New turnover. And a new makeover. We'll give thanks to our extended family. As you can see in here, it's partially rough flash already. As you can see, natural flash out in here already. You know, and our stairs is being built, so she don't have to climb up any ladder coming upstairs. So this is where it's all the way to, you know, all the way to, hard working Mother Theresa, she deserves it, you know. So we give thanks to our extended family. You know, we thank you so much, each and everyone that donated to Mother Theresa. You know, we thank you so much, you know, for looking out for Mother Theresa. And we give thanks to Natural for putting in the strength, you know, as usual, and the Wow Chef project. And now we have Mother Theresa coming from Dana, and the journey still continue. Natural tree that you knock off already, you know, man. I saw you bat, you know, and you're bat fast, you know. You're bat faster than natural. Footstep of
you have to be a good batsman, you know.
yes, sir.
A bowler put in a pace bowler company and tell us about the ball. You know. Not there.
You're batting not out. Because not out is when you give up.
Try Brian Lara, you know?
Yes.
Record.
Keep it going, man. I will give thanks, guys, as I can see. The flashing of Mother Theresa bathroom. You know we have a Wow Chef for tiling out the Wow Chef as well. So you know Wow Chef is coming on to the finishing. You know, so you know once we tiling, after we finish tiling, you know, it's all paint, putting in all the fixtures, you know, for the tile and everything. And face based and his tile going in. Quick and fast we'll be finishing Wow Chef project. Left one Brian Lara used to, you know, and a left one you have flash with, you know. You know, see, a great man that, you know, Brian Lara, you know, batting with him left hand and natural flashing with his left hand, you know. Brian Lara batting not out and natural is flashing not out, you know. Batting same, you know, when Brian Lara are batting, a risky music, you know.
Yeah, man, a risk player, man.
Risk, and when you have flash, it's a risk.
All about the risk, man.
Yeah, man. I have to flash the wrist, guys. Yeah, man, guys, as you can see, the work never stop. You know, it never stop. It never stop. It never stop. So, like how they're working, I'm going to be cooking a pot. You know, I'm going to cook some food for them. Like how they're working, I'm going to be the cooking today. Our Wow Chef is here working as well. So. Hot. Hot. And the first I drink so much water over there. Sundown time I don't play. I couldn't believe how so much water I drink. And could cool on same way.
It's a one clapping up when you're thirsty, you know.
Yeah, man. And I could cool on same way and I wonder what I go on. Overeat. So these are the times you have to consume a lot of water in your body right now.
No, it can't flash. Got tired. Oh. You have to flash them two sides, you have to put the round onto the wall. So the round, the wall come out, so, and the two head and straight, so you have to flash up them two in.
Oh.
Very good, man. Tired.
Yes, Theresa, that is it. Grinding slow but grinding still.
No fun about it. Can't get the team and don't do the right thing.
Grinding slow but grinding still. Dead. So naturally, I'm going to the kitchen then go and do some dumpling. Alright, then do some dumpling rolling to my forward then.
Door rolling.
Yeah, some door rolling, you know. Yes guys, as you can see, walking down Mother Theresa step now, shouldn't have to be climbing up and down any ladder anymore, you know. Wonderful work. I want to give thanks to Natural and our extended family, you know, for this blessed work that they've been doing. So let me say, like how they're doing this, I'm gonna be cooking some dumplings for them. You know, because they need dumpling. Alright, sir. They need dumpling. You know, so I'm gonna be cooking some dumplings for the members them, you know. While they're putting in some work. Bowl chef is helping out as well, so I guess I'm gonna just cook some food for them so they can have some food, you know. How my son, talk the truth. Talk the truth, so I need to go and do that. So this is what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna cook some banana dumpling. You ever eat banana? Well, I know most of you guys eat banana dumpling before, you know, so that's what I'm gonna do. Banana dumpling with some salt mackerel rundown, you know. Nice. Today that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, you know the thing go regular day chilling out here today. I know, so we have the members them putting in some work up by Mother Theresa. So today we're not at Wow Chef, today we have Mother Theresa doing some work, you know. So we have Natural and Wow Chef them is up there doing some work, you know, and so while, you know, Wow Chef cannot be in the kitchen, so I'm gonna be cooking today with the members them there. We have Prefect there, we have Boom there, we have Rasta Jackson over there. We're gonna put on a pot, you know, run boat style, you know. While I'm putting some work, we are going to run the boat here, so we are the run boat style, you know, everything goes already. And the boat where we are run, we already tell you, you know, check. Banana dumpling, you know the thing go already, because we love dumpling more than rice, right? Not too much starch, but that's why if I add it with liquor banana in it, or add it to the oats, or add it to the pumpkin, you know, so add something in it, you know. So we have Boom here.
That's what I juice it there.
See pot there, man. Just now pot. You can bring the pot over here, so. Where do you want me Can
I change the smoke, please?
Can I give one different one?
Sure.
Give me that and I give you a different one.
I think I said
Cool guy.
Don't feel your pocket if you know you don't have it.
I have a change, but I have a change.
You might change for you over the shop.
Come in, yeah,
So Boom there, so I go and get the juice in or the coconut. You know, so I'm gonna put on the salt mackerel, make it go and boil out a bit. While Boom there, I go and juice the coconut. You know, it goes already. Our little vibes go and cook too. Dumpling. Alright then, so here you want more water over there?
Suck it out. No more water in there.
Yeah. Use it again.
See you, chef, yeah, real chef,
I say, yeah, man, we have the Jackson. Man, don't do that, you know, man. Man, see what it's supposed to, man.
Catch him, man. Catch him.
Place over there.
Catch him over there, man, Jackson.
Yeah.
One and only Rasta Jackson.
Yeah.
Doing some videoing.
Yeah.
See like Kino is in the kitchen, innit?
Yeah.
We just rolling over the airport, you know?
Yes.
Cause guess what? We didn't raise any funds last night.
You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah.
you know, whether we raise or we not raise, we still have to give God thanks. You know what I'm
Yes,
saying,
every
Rasta
time.
Jackson?
Yes, every
Yeah,
time. Huh?
so I'm heading over like right now.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
So now I say to look more
Hopefully I
like.
see someone who watch me on the program here.
Yes, sir.
Because anybody who watch Colors on this program, you know, Rasta Jackson, they always give me something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sometimes at £20, sometimes at $20 US.
Yes. Sir.
Sometimes on 2,000 Jamaican
Yes.
dollars. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, said we
Yeah.
Said we
But what I'm saying, Rasta Jackson, I didn't know Keena was very great so much in the kitchen, bro.
Yeah, Keena, that, but yeah, some look good. Yeah, some cook
Him didn't know.
Let's see over there.
Yeah, some mess. Yeah, messy the way I go and cool, man, no? You see, so I say, so you hit the road now.
So, what I was saying, Jackson, how do I look? So I don't really have the full suit.
See me I tell you about, that's what them have to call it color, you know.
Exactly.
Color, you remember, man, color, them call it, though. So I saw your name, you know. So the right feet, so I saw your name, color. Alright, yeah.
Rasta Jackson, I'm heading out, you know.
Yes.
Just big up all the extended family,
Yes.
you know, Colors ain't leaving.
Every time,
you know.
Yes,
You know what I'm
extended
saying?
family, yes, extended family, yeah, right
Always have to
yes.
big up. Mr. Twin. Always have to big up extended family.
Yes, you know,
Yeah, because they're the one who expose Colors like now.
Yes, damn right.
You get what I'm saying?
Yes,
and I ain't left out Keena too.
Yes.
Because if it was for Keena, none of us would recognize.
Yes, sir.
You get what I'm saying,
You're
Jackson?
damn right, huh?
Nobody would know about Jackson, Colors, Sprague, Boom Dynamite, Tall P. If it wasn't for Keena, nobody overseas would know about none of us. So we still have to give thanks to Keena. Don't stop digging up.
People never did know about when they look for.
You get what I'm saying, bro? Yeah. Real. But you know what, Rasta Jackson? I'm from there, me and the jacuzzi bed around there, though.
Yeah.
Whenever time me and the jacuzzi bed, it's like I don't want to get up to go to the airport, man.
Yeah.
Yes. And normally when none of the people who watch me and this program here, the first thing they greet me with, you know, Rasta Jackson. Hey, Colors. Oh, you're in the jacuzzi?
Yes.
Always in the jacuzzi bed, lying down, cutting 20.
Yes.
You get what I'm saying,
And
kid?
then-
Not 10.
Said
So, what's cooking there now, Jackson?
Yes, rundown, banana and dumpling, coconut milk, mix it
Oh
and
my, I'm sorry I ain't gonna be here to have some of it, bro.
you see, top mackerel,
Isn't it?
yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. Big up all
The extended
team.
all the extended family.
every extended family.
Cause you can't call on you right now, cause you
leaving
know.
out.
Yes, sir.
Whether it rain or sun.
Yes.
Colors
Yes.
ain't leaving out extended.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm big up Dream Team, the hard
Every
Dream
time,
team,
bro.
you know?
You hear that call?
That is it. Man,
You
we
hear
can't
that?
stop big up the Dream Team
All
because
right.
if them build up the fall could make it look like cottage now, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and big up the extended family. Colors
Every
ain't
time.
leaving out.
Every time.
Never. But guess what, extended family? You know, saying like how it come on to summer, you know, the swagger got turn up, you know.
Yeah.
I want to start giving us some 2 different color boot, you know.
Yeah.
So you start already?
No, because what I'm saying, Kino, the funds ain't running like that. So I have to wait till
the funds are walking?
you get exactly. So I have to wait till in the summer when the funds you get me, Jackson.
Yeah,
Yeah, we can start getting because we have a store downtown on my buy. This 2 color boot, they having they right now they on sale out.
Yeah.
Sneakers for 5 and 6 grand.
Yeah.
But you know, if me even raise the 1.5 grand, I can't take it go buy boots.
No.
You know, we have to buy some food, put in the cottage,
Yes, food
and a
come
cup of
first.
juice, put in the refrigerator.
Yeah, come first.
Yes, food come first, and health come first.
Yes.
So we have to wait till the thing up.
Alright.
Yeah, we can go buy even a 2 pair,
Alright.
and then, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So, extended family, see you people.
Yes, every
Here, Rasta
time.
Jackson.
Every
I'm out.
time. Be a love,
Alright,
huh?
big up.
Guys, so now we're greater in the banana. If you never make banana dumpling before, this is how you do it. You know, you have to grate the banana. I remember the banana is a thing, yeah? You have to know how much you're using because it's just like water. You like you use water in the flour, you can also spoil the flour if you put too many banana in the flour, it gets so soft. Right, so you have to know how much you have put in it as well too. So Jackson never know through them say a greater demand and think it's like that.
Yeah.
But you can spoil it. You have to put in the flour first before you even add water.
Yes, no, mix up the flour
Yes,
first.
because you find into the flour. But from you have more flour to add on it won't spoil.
No, can't spoil because flour is put pant and get back the stamina back and get
I mean spoil means soft.
Soft, it can't say because you have add on to it.
Yes.
And the flour add on to it, you get back everything together.
So to be on the safe side, what you can do is save back more flour just in case.
Yes.
If it gets too soft on you.
Yes.
So I'm also going to cook it down in some coconut milk. You know, everything we have to add the coconut milk to it. So our body need it.
So what I'm talking about. Huh?
Yes. So we're adding all the naturals inside of it. You know, so cooking some rundown. Whoa! So we have the wow chef. Wow chef, tell them what's in the coconut milk.
More of it.
Oh.
Tell them what's in the coconut milk.
Fish a while ago. I look a piece of fish I'm cook this morning, you know. It's a scary time on some fish season.
How would that call me?
Is it? Yeah.
Dream?
Yeah, man, because
Are you a call me?
Yeah, man, we just come to do some work, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Don't know cement up.
So I tell them some Mother Theresa in that place that work for.
Yeah, man. So I come out, man. I fresh and come back, man. I come go to part 2, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. The coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Your vitamin, man. It's the oil of the coconut. You boil it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, you drop the flour them in it. And drop it a time in it. And just go and second down. Come like it's a soup.
Yes.
Come like, you know. You see me I say?
Yeah.
No, I get it wrong. Come like porridge. Tastes like porridge, I tell you. You see me I say caramel porridge. Yeah, man, you see? Yo, I'm so come back, man. Give me about 5 or 10 minutes. You know, go to fresh and come back. And water just come.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah, cause you know. Yeah, man. You see me I say?
Yeah.
I have to eat, but I mean, tell them much I have to go eat. Much of them dumpling about, you know. It come. You see me I say?
Yeah.
And I say why?
When they talk about say what eat, they can't say that, you know, because it will simmer down, you know.
Yeah, man, you know,
simmer down, you know.
4 or 5, you see me I say?
You know.
Yeah, man.
Short meat get short meat, you know.
Alright. Twice, man, so come.
Yeah.
You think I look, me I look? I cook. So this is you know? Yeah. I coconut milk, maybe I bring across. Throw some in a cup for me, please. Oh, wait there. Go leave back, because I must have to go leave back for the mackerel. Enough in there still, right?
Yeah, man. Nothing right.
But, you know, so we have the banana and the flour and look at coconut milk.
I know, yeah. The boiler will come up.
Eh?
You have to watch it, watch it, and come up.
You go and boil liquor? Yeah. Right. All I can smell is coconut all over the place, Jackson.
Yeah. That you're gonna smell coconut. You're damn right, you're not gonna smell nothing else but coconut. Because it's coconut. And this is not powder.
It's coconut.
It's coconut. Living high. And we use coconut, a well versatile, it's in a rainbow.
What's dumpling that again? That's not your dumpling.
Banana. Banana dumpling.
And curry again.
No curry.
Fish.
Yeah. This is fish.
I love the cooking. I like to when man cook.
Likes when man cook? Jackson, but now I cook my way back flour because I say the mouth is not too many today, you know. Like last time what happened?
No, this is called one of the one of the private.
Yeah, the one of the private part.
One of the private part, I don't know what I want now.
But when them start smell it, they were
yeah, so them things, I have some man full of time, you know. I have some girl have time, you know. They know it go, you know. And dumpling go short, you know, sometimes when you cook, you can't cook a bit of food, you know. You always cook enough. Because when you say you don't want to share out, two dumplings men don't get. Cut out the dumpling now and square it off. But some want to share. Yeah. Same thing, you know, if you know you're talking, you know. And the man in the ramp, you know. It's a run up.
run up.
Yes, yeah, I tell you, I'm done.
Season the pot, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Jello, one little bit of jelly and a little bit of time to go on.
Boss? Let me know if I can't breathe right now. Can't breathe right now. I'm financial.
Come, Grunt Thunder. See now?
Cross.
Hungry.
This is the Grunt Thunder passing through.
Yeah.
What the girl them there?
Yeah. Keep it clean.
And about it, quality.
Yeah.
Anything me say, you can say quality.
Quality.
Don't say it before me.
Yeah.
I want to repeat it after me.
Yes.
Watch it. Gallo no pull of quality, gallo no pull of quality. Hello the gal them pull of quality, gallo no pull of quality. Hello the gal them pull of quality.
Give me all the rhythm,
anything me say, if you say quality, 10 tongue gal them proper.
Quality.
Hey my gal them proper.
Quality.
Jungle gal them proper.
Quality.
Uptown gal them proper.
Quality.
Downtown gal them proper.
Quality.
Tivoli gal them proper.
Quality.
Pull up a one cause you full of quality and kick out your foot them and you full of quality and jump around cause you full of quality and ball it out cause you full of quality. He gon' thunder there, he me lively. Me sit down on the rhythm and me sit down steady. Me no see no DJ pick come test me. Anything test. The Danbury, send the whole of them to me a pen cemetery. Make them know I am the roughneck daddy. When me take up me reply, could but Barkley. Beat from the pivot, me have no sympathy. Pull up, pull up.
Hey, roll up.
Give you one more.
Live on that. Yeah.
Keep it clean.
Big up Bantam, East, West, North and South. Now for big up my promoter in a boy, you know.
Yes, I am.
And I don't want to take boy up some look TVDB, you know.
Yeah.
I'm my road manager.
Yes, I am.
I'm a rate him.
Yes, I am.
I'm a loving.
That is
we have
it.
some boy and I have no loving of them, you know. Yeah. Gotcha. But I don't see Gong Thunder passing through and just look at the Gong Thunder of the face. I don't know what I want to say. Y'all let me do one bumper now. Get a new piece of. Y'all let me bounce me with the bumper. Get them a bounce me down with the bumper. They bounce me down with the bumper. Get them a bounce me down with the bumper. Y'all bounce me ya east, west, north and south. Everywhere the girl and go what them on the road. They say Gong Thunder ya the rope next coat. There's some little boy me not just come bout. There's some little boy them free mind them mouth. Them a get box and thump and kick in a mouth. Blood chip out a mouth, teeth chip out a mouth, tongue chip out a mouth. Tell them thunder the pan the girl them road. Young Thunder, he's the girl them defender. Better than the DJ named Chuck Fender. Big up me DJ Bounty Killer as he warrior. Tell me bounce me down with the bumper. Tell me bounce me with. And I hear the second verse. The bumper when I carry it a black chopper. The bumper when I walk with it a black chopper. No bus, no truck, no car can't pass. Bounty Killer me DJ have no way to walk. Young Thunder, no have no way to walk. Take up me mic and me know me can talk. Outside empty and inside talk. Nobody man cause me up me mouth it big like a shove me mouth talk. I'm me fi save when the cassette Philip off. Tell the whole of them fi come. Me not thought that the part me no want get slack and dirty and think like a shabba ranking. When me pass to Lord me clip boy being till my bounce me. Bounce me.
Just keep it clean.
Alright, okay. Now that is flatness. Okay. Mama, hold on her head and cry. Cause your son been get shot down in the street and die. Me say hardwood boys, put on the Glock, on the pillow the Glock. Hardwood boys, put on the Glock, on the pillow the Glock. The Glock hit no pretty and the Glock hit no nice. How the forget to youth, but they gone pan the highs. Both said them love it, and they not left it, them love pillock it. Muggle and a pose with it in a them pocket. Both them want take it and shoot thunder with it. Want move when fool no time come pit on dopey. It a go Japan them, they blast sex them a hell. Mama hold on her head and she cry. Cause her son been get shot down in the street and die. Last verse, but the end up a dove cut. He in a boat box, stingy prayer swan that. Magic a take that. Listen to Young Thunder pan the mic him a chat. But when me a chat non-stop. Build it pan me tongue, I move past like a ant pan a track. Say man in a pants, say woman in a truck. The whole of them a jump up, and them a clap. Then say Young Thunder, you're the queen for the crap. Look how me black shine like a yellow boss. Them can't build me flying on gully bop. Mama hold on her head and she cry. Cause the son been get shot down in the street and die. Yes,
that is it, you know, the original. You don't know Gun Thunder. Every Saturday they are live in the living color. So just make yourself available anytime after 6 o'clock. That's the time the stage show start. Okay? So, yes. Yes, that would be in the evening.
But you must see, brother, John. Them tell me I go busy, you know. That not try showing, you know, brother. You see when I left town, the pencil, you know. I left town all night before I sit. You know, I left town in a night actually. But me I go.
All you do once you can pass through, you pass through, man.
Saturday.
Yeah, man. You don't have to be 6, you can reach all by 8.
In a night?
Yes, man. Show still a go on, you know. Show close off at 9 p.m. So you know, say you're there before that.
Looking forward next weekend.
Alright, next weekend then.
Yeah, next week.
Alright, next weekend.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, sure. Come on the side of the side. So right now, so there I cook up some seasoning. Quite a thing, sir. Yeah. So we are dealing with this now for the salt mackerel rundown pot.
The run up pot.
Yes, sir, run up.
Yeah, man. If you run down everything now go run out, brother. And if you run up, it will stay in there.
Yeah, so it's a run up pot.
Yeah, man.
Them say.
Yes.
It's one time I do them thing, I like to take out the seeds and everything.
Yes, man.
And also, make sure we get out everything out of that, you know?
The all different color.
Yes. Rasta Jack said I said red, green and gold. What would I say? Red, green and gold.
Yeah, man.
And Rasta Jack said I said rainbow. Eh? And the rainbow.
Spice up the run up, you see?
Yeah.
That is it, my people.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, so this is it. So, guys, so now I'm gonna. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. So we have to do the salt mackerel here, guys. Salt mackerel.
The salt mackerel we have to make the run down. And I want to run up tonight.
Salt mackerel. Well, them call it run up and down. Run up and down, we are going to run up and down.
Look, I'm going to use and cook them things again.
Run down. Run down, bad man. Love it, you know.
I eat it, but I don't know if I but you a fish still, but me eat it still.
Yeah.
I feed pan, I eat it 1 and 2 times.
What, the run down?
Yeah, with the salt mackerel.
Nice, man. I know I like them bone, yeah. So when time I boil the salt mackerel, them bone them I like it. So then I hold up and get them bone them I like it.
Yeah. Show them again. Show them the bone again. Yeah. Bone part soft and nice.
Wow. Just everything there.
Usually wait for my granny when she done strip it off, wait for the bone part. Yeah.
Eh? Okay, I'm going some salt mackerel and some banana dumpling.
Banana, big time.
Yeah. Banana dumpling.
Yeah.
No, so we just finish in there while I go.
Today, you're sending everything, man. Dream team, you're going so long.
Run up where I come.
What going on now?
I'm glad you want to bore yourself, no man.
Tell me that, man. You tell me that.
I have to quote something again.
Banana dumpling.
How the key, no?
Banana dumpling.
Banana dumpling.
What that mean?
What that mean?
Banana dumpling.
Come in, Sabum.
Banana dumpling.
It's the banana in the dumpling itself.
Great the banana. Coconut to eat name that.
Coconut water.
Yeah, it's a drink. Strong back.
Last day them say I do two in the ass and two for a cookie man. No. More this banana dumpling.
For any spot you have to
there. Show the people no man. What is up?
Milk boy or something.
Milk boy and cook down with it.
Body chef in the Caribbean got something of them man I cook. I never see it before. Oats dumpling.
A big man film I never eat them things.
I say boo. Never. I tell you.
I eat them things now. What they the pot now scrape out. Yeah, get some of the strong back.
Strong, yeah. Yeah. Real chef, you know?
Yeah, man.
Strong like never before. Yo, just say anything now, man.
Yo, dream team that for yourself, man.
Yeah, worry me, I worry you. No? No. Yeah, man.
Man, sister and niece, them take care of him.
Yeah, but we know, man. See that and tease and say, I don't like it.
Yeah,
Yo, the man capture something for himself. No, him capture it, yes? The man capture it. Capture the man, capture that.
I say more Syria go on.
Tall piece.
Yeah, tall piece more Syria go on.
Oh, yeah, international chef, no J. No?
Yeah.
You know it. Where's the Jackson? Kiss him out. I'm going to reason them, man.
Alright. See there. Banana dumpling. Alright, so we have coconut milk and cook down. Coconut milk cooking down. Sherry, are you that? So we're on fire now a while ago, I just said. I smell the pepper in this boy. Smell the pepper in this. So you are going to put down the seasoning.
You change number every day. We can't find out it.
This guys, this is the coconut dumpling now. Wow, it's cooking right down. The essence.
Man down with the border. Yeah, but general. Wow.
That. Oh, we look, guys. So this is it. We're looking good. Mr. Dipart is looking good.
So much shots.
See there, that piece telling us so much shots. Hey. So una buy it,
I don't know.
Find out una Esther na buy it. Prefect na buy it. Jackson buy already.
Yeah,
Boom na buy it.
Yeah, Jackson support it, you know.
This look like Esther, you know.
No. I want them more.
Right there.
I want them more, yeah.
Yeah, it's like Esther.
Yeah.
See there? So I saw like a bus. River. Esther, hold it now, Esther, hold it now, man. Sit there. River. Yeah, river. Yeah, man, listen now. Tappy. See there? Fair size. Nah, cost how much though? Gary bag. Who next? Esther. It's only 1,000. Yeah? Hold your bag.
You know, can't pay for killing like a
Hold your bag. No, me a sailor. Work, you know.
I put in a bag.
Work. So this is for river. River. What get him shots yet?
Roaster, New York.
New York. Why your size? Wait no, you can't walk past and buy something, you know. What? Not t-shirts. See you load.
Oh, you mean?
See you load.
Seal up that thing.
Yeah. Yeah, man, only $1,000. Come Natish.
Just them say,
Natish.
them start out.
Oh, Natish color, yeah. To the river.
Yes.
Only 1,000.
Yes.
Only 1,000.
Yes.
Only 1,000. See there?
Yes.
Aye.
Yes.
Aye.
Jack, you say something? Natasha.
Aye, that. Peter, man. Sail out, sail out, sail out, sail out. You said that is you that? Alright then, put it back in your bag. You know battery? Yeah. Oh. Can't go and work with still. To the river, yeah.
Oh, $1,000 shots there, sir.
$1,000 shots.
$1,000 shots there. Oh, come here, sir. Come here, sir.
Come Kelly.
Come look here, sir, girl. Come look here, sir.
Come look. Wow, you not see your star.
The okra that and thing night.
Yeah. It's the okra, the red, green and gold night.
Same thing, people sit
It's
there.
the rundown.
Sit there. The meat kind of gone in night yet, you know. You see it, look there. And look out there.
Oh, them shots and them.
Whole for back food that tonight, enough back food tonight, you know, okra day night, onion day night, pepper night, sweet pepper night, tomato night, scallion night, onion night, thyme night, you know. And the flavour that now, the flavour that gone in now. You see there? That's how we get the flavour right. You hear that? Oh, God. Whole heap of flavour, you know. We're not talking about flavour, we're about second street, you know. We're talking about food flavour, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's how I think of always flavour, right, you know. Esther. Esther. Yeah, try it out, let me see. Just ask her, you want to see. Oh, just ask her, you know. I'm just ask her, I'm not saying nothing better. Yeah, man, just ask her, see that? Red, gold and green, you know. Rasta food, you know.
I know, so guys, so see they already know. Yo, me and Prefect could plan to cook in a private part, but you know what? The passengers arrive. Name upon them. So Esther says she want 5. Esther want 5.
Meat kind of the pot, right?
Jada says she want 4. What chef say, yo, if him get 2, him cook the rest with the meat kind.
Right, with the meat kind. I'm not trying to tell us that too. I'm going to get one with the fill of my meat.
Yeah. Give thanks to Cookie.
I mean, it's something fun.
Where's him? Him get pay? Alright, Jodia.
Man, I'm 2, you know. Some of them are 2, you know. Man, I'm 2, you know.
You know when they get pay, it's for come, yeah?
You know, stop. You can't pack up no whole heap more, you know.
So cut them off.
Just cut them off and see how much you take on.
Cut much over there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Just for 10 foot and see.
6. But when I spread the plates, and sister, the breeze are blow.
That's what I tell you.
So I put it and make the dumpling balance it.
Breeze not so bad.
But then I light.
Yeah, you can smell the banana, you know.
Man, you can't eat it, you know. Smell like porridge.
You smell it though?
Yeah, like banana
porridge. Smell it, Esther? It's like banana porridge. She did the wrong side.
No mess with it. How much? That?
2 weeks going on.
By the way, I promised me to take a pick mango.
Oh, come learn to late.
I don't know it tomorrow now, past you know.
You should eat all that man will come out, you know.
No, me I go there.
You come out and spit and put them down.
I put 2 on the plate.
What a carrot?
Where?
Yeah, so no man.
Eh?
When the food done, Gives a try and you could have cried dumpling, come give me. You could have cried dumpling, come give me. No, Mr. Big, come on me there. I hope she doesn't see the video, sister. You know video me too.
Me didn't I play it. Remember me did that video. Me didn't I play me in a. And can I use some screenshot or something when you go to the dumpling? Tear the dumpling. Yeah, I use it on the front cover.
Tear the dumpling. Wait, what dumpling now? Oh, beefy.
She passed and see private part. Next time I have to go lock up when we are cook. I do the same until
my first private part is missing.
It's a private man.
You now watch me now, child. Just for the time I go to see you.
So take it on. Where's the natural should I say? Where's the natural should I say? And him now look on your door. Sure. And it's too late now because I can't hear. Give me 2 plates, 6. A joke. 2 more.
2 dumplings.
Wait a second. When I know baby can get it. Wait now. A private party now.
Yeah?
What's her on a circle? You know what's her on a circle? Sure on a circle. He don't want the bone part.
Set.
Go! I know what a mango. I fear a mango tree, you see? What is it? What? Look what we do.
Oh, get free, man. That me don't make it.
They could have come back to any time. Yeah, she own the mango tree. We can't get a mango.
And truth here, I always give her mango. I always respect Esther and give her mango. All the time.
And they come now for dumpling.
Where's the kid? I don't believe that.
No. Boom there. Boom.
Boom. Boom there. Boom, come now. I wrong time for moving now. And the wrong time for moving.
Boom coming at the wrong time for moving now.
And them still come up and want again. Easy to get ignorant, brother. I'm going to ramp with my phone.
I eat 1 dumpling.
I do my thing myself over my yard. I'm up to do almost can do this. If I'm see the teacher do it, easy thing is. For your chef,
Jella, take your food and go on.
For your chef, I see the teacher.
It's a 1 dumpling.
For your chef, I see the teacher do this 1 time.
Jella, take your food and go on.
Okay, I eat genius, man.
Me? Won't forgive you.
Perfect. Talpi.
Dumpling?
Sam, you see you?
Where's Sam's though? Where's Sam's though? Sam's don't do nothing.
I 1 dumpling.
It does not pressure the youth.
I'm done.
Come the man focus to get the woman get 1 I play. Focus to lick for your bottom.
1 dumpling with that check.
Wanna? Parking at your house. Eh? Where's the next phone? You have the next phone?
There's more dumpling right now. 1 dumpling.
No, Kiki, you can't eat this. A piece of.
Yeah, 1 dumpling.
Try not my banana dumpling.
It's a banana. You use it.
No, I don't have the money. I have the money.
Oh, yeah, man. Look, come on, I can't walk over the man.
You know, one soup.
Show some of this for natural.
Dumpling in it, you know.
Boy, have a
Whoa. Show some of this soup for natural. Most bun you.
The bun now. You get bun up. You get bun up.
Yeah, man, look at them. Watch it, man. I slide off for the house of a pick mango. Don't make that show thing and I get burned. Watch it, no.
You know, get bun up.
Soup.
Can I have sip, please?
Need the strength.
I know how to slide off for the outside.
Yeah, back strength. It's a back strength.
Where's the baby?
You look at me for
Baby, you know.
What a baby? Oh, a baby in a cup.
Yeah, man.
you put it down on you.
What a baby in a cup.
Touch it, not to get that.
Whip.
Not in a bag.
That's just 10 minutes with name.
This is the whip.
The whip?
Whip.
This is for the whip.
You're not talking whipped cream, you know.
The whip. Or the strap.
Chop the belt.
No, so I can't buy that boy. Them say them never see me eat the dumpling the other day. So I show them right now me eat it.
Right now.
Right now.
That what go on?
Now you know, say, two more dumpling.
You like it in the dumpling? You like it the next dumpling?
Yeah, we know 4 more in there.
It catch on camera so you can't tell no lie. Clean up, come cook every day.
I'm say I'm cooking choking in the pan.
I was courtesy of mothers.
Of mothers, yes.
That's a key of expert on it. No,
No kitchen, no food in there, done.
Yeah. So with our cooking is send the room. Yeah. Cookie smart, you know.
You don't want a food? You don't want a food?
Right, well, use the cookie.
My brain damage. The bone.
So the okra, turn it for me, Esther. Some for the okra. You know, like
Nothing
okra.
wrong with okra.
Okra, my favorite back food, you know. Sit down there. Esther, sit down.
I'm not going to clear over there.
Watch your little cup, watch it. There's so much, you know. See me, I said.
Well, yeah, I don't in the pot, you know.
You want dumpling in the pot?
Yeah, we're going to cook with it. We're going to cook with that dumpling there, wow.
No, this can't cook with nothing, you know.
You to salt mackerel in there.
Yeah, because this have to add up to
We're going
next.
to cook with the salt mackerel.
Because this have to add up, dumpling have to add up to my tree where I have. I'm going to share from me a yaga, you know.
You know? I ask you grandma cook with the dumpling and the rest of salt mackerel.
Share it up, I give yaga one, I give yaga.
I made salt mackerel, I bone me eat.
Hold on,
The bone. You like the flesh?
This is not eat it.
The bone different from the flesh. If it's a piece of bone in there, give me a bone. Tell Keenan to look for the bone them. When that's your bone them, when you wait him there already.
No, I call. The whole of the bone, they dash everything. Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Give me a piece, give me a piece.
Oh, she get a piece?
No, I mean you want the bone.
No, I mean, Mama. Esther, be Esther. Oh, look. Esther.
Yeah?
That bone like what, them part, eh?
A saltfish bone.
Esther, I mean, I have no more Esther.
They ask for something that you got?
Just get Esther.
Where are you this now, wow?
This, Maggie, I'm going to 2 flour there. Look. About pound, me not tell them I want about pound, I'm going to cut it down to half pound.
Mr. Bonia Gardo.
I'm going to take them on. Yeah, can't try me alone. Come I just give Yaga 2, my one bust up for me and Yaga. So I just get the rice, put on one side, you know?
Well, so they say you flavor it. Flavor it.
Yes, sir.
I'm a bone in there. Kina, for come every day, come cook. How are this? Kina, for come every day, come cook. Wanna say? Wanna say?
Vote for that.
Where say Kina, for come every day, come cook.
Vote for that.
Where say? Kina, for come every day, come cook.
Esther, leave me alone, I'm not giving the food.
You not gonna food?
I'm not food.
So what?
Eh? No, like no food at all. No, I want to go to Jesus.
You know how you do that? Alright, God have cook look rice to do him have so you can get.
No, God have extended bonus about it.
God have some cook pound of rice. And that's what I'm talking about? Oh, you take it for joke, a serious something.
Yeah, I eat my own.
Come and tell you, you know, we're cooking a private part.
Private.
And it's private.
Prep. So I'm gonna get the rice now and use up them coal there before it get 100 TS. 101 TS. Jella, where food? You done? Jella play it, no sir. Jella not play with them this year. Jella not Tisha not play with them this year. Where's the king?
I'll tell you what we carry.
Cook food them here. Where's the king? Never come every day. Come cook though.
I'm a 2 more.
You drop a two?
Oh, this is that sea pepper. I'm getting a little that.
Onion.
And pepper.
And pepper. Where's the king? Never come every day. Come cook. Where's the?
I'm not saying to come every day, but even
5 times out of 7 day. 5 out of 7. That's not bad.
no, if you can come like 6 days and take a 1 day.
Yeah, you can get a 1 day. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Me did say 5, but I said 6. Natisha don't come, I said 2. So you come 2. No, you come. You say you said 2.
No genius.
I use that.
You might come 6, you will come 2 out of the 6. The next 4 days you're not supposed to come.
Let me have some for tomorrow. Don't fry them one here. You fry the oats one, but we never fry them one here. The oats one, them bad.
Them want to taste like banana and dumpling chips. This is not bad.
Them bad when them fry zucchini. Oh God, hold on, everybody up for like that fry me dumpling.
Boom, go on there, so.
One of the best parts in me, like I know some love the long
100 TS.
Walk over that pot empty. Go leave it himself, you know, walk over that empty.
Say I cook some for go with it. Watch out. Yeah. Say I cook something with this way I take out now. None of that cook with it.
civilized.
Now cook rice and put that as the stew.
But not the feeling.
Kina, 2%.
But you.
That's all, folks. We're not again.
Well, that was the banana dumpling segment, guys. You know, the banana dumpling. You know, everything goes there. Something new on the menu. Some of our members have never tried it yet. But here, them say dumpling short again. I'm going to put on our pants on it. Right? And we have Esther Campbell.
I'm going to eat my one already and them see me eat it. Yeah.
So Esther YouTube is back up and running, guys. So it's up and running again. Up and running again. What go on, Jackson?
Well, I'm a private party this man. I want the party one. Come and tell you already, you know. And they put on a small thing, I get Extinct. And that's what go on. A private thing, that's where the open thing.
Open.
You get shot.
Yes, guys, my battery just dead a while ago. Battery just dead, so battery up back already. And Jackson said, boy, the party was invaded. Yes, whoa, I check the pot. So, let's see, check the pot, you know.
Yeah, car.
Yeah, red already. Yeah.
Now we get the rice, like me away from
God, you know, put on the sauce and go eat some rice.
Rice.
So, I show you.
A tree.
Three, no, I give you got two.
You get 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4.
I got 2 and take 2.
Yeah.
So I just slap it one and one left it and I don't beat my rum no more. So I lock up my next one.
Yeah,
I look for more pound of rice.
It's a rice.
Yeah. I found one here. I'll put you on the one there. I'll put it one side, you know. No bag here.
And put up the plate. Yeah, man, so that is that. Natisha come right in time. Right in time to the car let her have. You see that?
Always.
Hey, your foot in a shot. Right in time, because you're lucky to have that sweep for them dumpling. You tell us to happy?
I will be there.
Happy that sweep for that foot down Jackson right now. That sweep for them dumpling there.
Let's go from my tree, make it 4.
Yeah.
No, I'm going to the yard.
Yeah.
I'm going to the yard, yeah, Jackson. Jackson, we're going to the yard next time, yeah?
Oh, yeah, tell me about
private
it.
thing. We're going to the yard.
Boy, once boy I know me, have to know.
Yeah.
You know that? Boy, I tell him now.
Yeah.
You can't, you hear that? Once boy I know me, have to know.
Latisha for know what I go on.
Come here, tell us, man.
This time.
Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah. No, nah, leave her out, you know. Not time at all, no. Nah, leave her out.
Boy, me tell you, say she never come look where she lucky.
She lucky.
Lucky still, no. She there upon time, you know.
Hey, yo, come here, boy. Wow, give me food and put on for cookie.
Cooking are there.
Carry on at the house.
Yeah. I'm cooking me them for them food, yeah. I'm cooking them a scream out of the same one and food, yeah. What you doing? I pass the man for the scream out, you know.
Yeah.
Man, make sure scream out. Pumpkin dumpling pass me. Coconut pass.
Oats
pass.
I know, banana. No.
You can get the quart right.
Right now, the man dropped the quart.
Right here, foot. Okay. Best, huh? So Natish come from nowhere. What dumpling she get?
3.
She dumpling Natish get?
3.
I know something going on.
There's something going on, though.
I know something going on, you know. You know, tell us, say, look, a private thing and a private thing, you know.
That is not private thing doing at all.
See it? So, what?
Boom, say, oh.
Private thing doing at all.
Wait, I'm going to boom, I want to try to snatch your thing. Hey, boom. I want to try to snatch boom food, I want to boom, say, oi.
Esther.
Don't try that.
Private thing is not key, not say keep private thing.
It was private till the music turn up too loud.
Yeah.
You know what happens when music turn up loud?
Yeah.
People hear the music and them come out, come party.
Cause pass, Natisha pass now.
And hear the music I play.
And Jella hear about it, look. She know that pass still.
She hear about it, star. And talk you there, I sell clothes and hear the music I play and roll in.
No, not really. From which I step to read something like. You know what type of food they have cooked from it.
You smell the milk. Yeah, smell the milk, guys. So, yeah, man. So, blessed love. You know what thing go. So, yeah, man. It's another one. You know the thing go. That is it. Remember, like before watching. If it reaches for you, like, what are you waiting on? Cook the thumbs up. Oh.
Second round, man.
They say, whoa, second round, them say, no.
Second round?
Yeah. 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 I will hockey and rice that. Yo, the next one up on the river here, sir.
Yeah, man.
Next one up on the river. That's what next cooking I go on the river.
Cook rice and peas and cook on the river rice.
Eh?
Oh, chef.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.